Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 3A. Today we have come up with a new chapter, that is fractions, which is in your page number 96. Clear? Today in this video session, at first we will introduce what is fractions, different types of fractions. Firstly I will introduce, then we will solve exercise 6.1, which is in your page number 98, and also we will solve exercise 6.2, which is in your page number 100, right? So before going to fraction, we need to know about one whole, right? One whole. What is one whole? I have drawn some pictures. First one, a whole strip. This is a single strip, or you can say a whole strip. It means a strip which is not divided, which is not splitted. Second one, it's a birthday cake, and you can see this is a whole cake, single cake. This is not splitted, this is not divided. A single, you can say a whole cake. Next one, this is a chocolate bar, a chocolate bar, a whole one, right? Similarly, third number, an apple, a whole apple which is not divided. Okay, so this all the examples about a whole number, that means one, it represents one part, one whole it is called, right? Now the next portion, one half. I have taken a strip, okay, this is a strip, and you can see this is a whole strip. I have drawn a whole strip, so this is a whole strip, but in this case I have divided into two parts. One part is shaded and another part is not shaded, so each part is called one half, because total parts are 1 and 2, right? But I have shaded only one portion or one part, so I can say I have shaded one part out of two parts, that is called one half. Shaded portion, one part out of two parts. In number you can say 1 by 2, right? In the bottom it will come total parts, that is 2 parts, and in the up it will come how many parts are shaded. Okay, so only one part is shaded, so I put it 1, total out of 2 parts. Clear? So this is one half. Now what about 1/3? So this is 1/3. Okay, so I also have drawn a strip, but in this case this strip is divided into 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3. I have written in red color. So 1, 2, 3. There are 3 equal parts. Out of these 3 parts, only one part I have shaded, middle portion. So how many parts you have shaded? Only one parts out of 3 parts. So this number will be 1/3, because total parts is 3. Total parts are 3, and out of total parts only one part is shaded. Only a part is shaded. So it is called 1/3, right? And if you ask me, if I said why did you shade only middle portion? If I said uh, the third portion, so what will be your answer? In this case, this middle portion is not shaded. So here will be the same case. Only one portion is shaded. The answer will be same. But now the two portions are shaded, 2 and third. So what about your fraction? The fraction will be 2/3, because only two portions are shaded out of 3 equal parts or 3 equal portion in this case. Now in the example, so this is also a fraction, right? This is also fractions. They are a whole, they are fractions, they are called fractions. Okay, similarly 1/4. 1/4, so this is the picture of 1/4. So this is a whole strip, and I have divided into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And out of these 4 portions, only one portion is shaded. So how many portions are shaded in this case? Only one portion. So you will say 1/4. 1/4 portion is shaded. Now the question is, how many portions are not shaded, or you can say how many portions are unshaded? So this is shaded portion or shaded part, and unshaded part or portion, you can see second, third and fourth number, they are unshaded. So it will be how many parts? 3 parts out of 4 parts. So 3/4 is the unshaded portion. Clear? Now we will go to the exercise 6.1. Now in exercise 6.1, put a circle around the ones and show equal parts. So question number A, this one, it is showing the equal parts, that is the whole part is divided into equal parts, into 2 equal parts. Similarly this one, these 2 watermelons are equally divided, 2 equal portion. C number, So those are showing equal parts. It is divided into two equal parts. Now I'm going to question number 2. Color one half of each figure in red, or in say it in red. So one half, there are two equal parts. Out of two equal parts you have to color only one. So in this question A, you have to color only one. Okay, so A number, C number I am doing, and B number please you do. So in this way we have to color. Now question number 3, color 1/3. So these, in this question, all the pictures are different types of pictures, and if you see, they are divided into three equal parts, but only color only one out of three equal parts. So color blue one using blue color. Okay, similarly only one part you have to color. You have to color in this way, right? 4 number you please do. You can do it. This is very easy example. 5 number, color the figures according to the given fractions. It is given 3/4. That means you have to color 3 portions or 3 parts out of 4 parts, because there are 4 parts and you have to color only 3 parts. So I have colored 1, 2 and 3. So this is 3/4. 1/3, only one part you will color. So similarly half and 1/4 you can do also. Now 6a, write the fraction for the shaded part in each of the following figure. So there are two parts, 1 and 2, and out of two parts only one part is shaded. So in this question you have to write the shaded portion, so only half. B number, how many portions are shaded? Only 3 portions out of 4 portions, so it is 3/4. So only 1/3. And D number, you can check 1, 2, 3, 4, and only one part is shaded, so 1/4. So this is the answers of 6.1, exercise 6.1. And you can check these numbers are called fractions because it is divided into two parts. You have to write the whole parts or total parts in the down, and how many portions are shaded or how many portions are colored, how many portions are unshaded. So these will you have to write in the upper portion. So it is divided into two portion, upper portion and lower portion, and you can see this upper portion is called numerator of a fraction and the lower portion is called denominator of the fraction, right? And I will tell you about this on the next video. Now fractions as a part of collection or group of objects. Suppose I will give you to find half of the 8. So what will be your answer? Half of the 8. That means you have 8 parts, 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and also the 8 parts. So you have 8 parts, 8 equal parts, but you have to find only the half portion. Half portion means you have to divide in middle, because only you have to get half of the total eighth portion. So what will you get? 1 2 3 and 4. You can check, this is also 4. 1 2 3 4. So I have divided into 4 and 4. You can check, 4 plus 4 is 8. That means 8 is divided into 2 equal parts. Each part contains 4, right? 1 2 3 4. So half of 8 means half into 8. Of means multiply the number. 1/3 of 12. It means 1/3 multiply by 12. So it will be 4. Or you can say 12 divided by 3. Here 8 divided by 2. You can check, 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. That means 1/3 of 12 means you have 12 equal portion. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. And you need 1/3 of 12. 1/3 of 12 means you have to divide equal portion. 4 equal portion. So 1 2 3 4. Cut them. 1 2 3 4. Cut them. 1 2 3 4. You can check. There are 4 portion. There are 4 portion. There are 4 portion. If you add them, you will get 12. So only you need each portion. So your answer will be 1/3 of 12 is equal to 4. That means if you divide the 12 items into 1/3, you will get 4 items. Right? In the question number 2, in exercise 6.2, shade 1/3 of each collection and write the number of objects shaded in the box. Shade 1/3. So total items are 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you need only 1/3 portion. So 1 shaded only 2. If you divide into 2, so each portion make a group. You can make another group and you can make another group. So in each group it contains 2. Your answer will be 2. Similarly, question number B, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You need 1/3. That means you have to divide a group which contains only 3 balloons. So you can divide into 3 portion. That is 1/3. So your answer will be 3 here. Similarly, you can see the C number question, 3 number question. You can do it. Okay, please do it by yourself. Now I am solving 4a. 4a, it is given half of 24. That means 24 divided by 2. It means 12. B number, 1 ninth of 72. That means 72 divided by 9. You will get 8. That means you have 72 equal parts and you need 1/9 of 72 equal parts out of 72 equal parts. So you will get 8 equal parts in each. So your answer will be 8. Similarly, if I take I number 1/6 of 48, it means 48 divided by 6. It will be 8. So rest of the part, this is your task and please you do it. So simply we have learned, if I ask you 1/5 of 20, so you have to do 20 divided by 5. That means you will get 4. 1/5 of 20, it means 20 divided by 5. That means 4. So this is your answer. And rest of the part, please do it by yourself and try to learn. This is very interesting thing and different from the numbers we have learned up to this session. Okay, thank you. See you on the next video.